Here we bring you the second edition of CMS News for March 2021. CMS Revive project inaugurated. CMS College started the Revive project. The motto of the project is Restoration and Conservation of Nature. CMS College inaugurated phase 1 of its Revive project on the 18th of March 2021. Each tree on the college campus has been QR coded. This would allow the college community members and visitors to the campus to view the botanical name, common name in English and in Malayalam using a smartphone. Ecological taxonomy and taxonomic description, medicinal importance, etc. are included. 546 plant species have been identified on the campus. Around 150 species are given QR code fixed on boards attached. This digitization of floristic diversity on the college campus was undertaken by the Botany Department of the college in association with the Social Forestry Wing of Kerala Forest Department. Further work is in progress to create a digital plant library of the campus with more than 500 species of plants and to map and manage their data using GPS and GIS technologies. The program was inaugurated by Mr. Jayaraj, renowned filmmaker and founder of Birds Club International. The principal, Dr. Varghese C. Joshua, Dr. Prakash, Deputy Director, Deputy Directorate of Collegiate Education Kottayam and Principal, Government College Kottayam, Dr. G. Prasad, Assistant Conservator Forests Kottayam, Social Forestry Division, Vice Principal, Dr. Minnie Chako and Buzzer, Reverend Jacob George addressed the occasion. Assistant Professor of Zoology Department, Sony Joseph, gave the vote of thanks. Inauguration of Kilikudam Revive Project Phase 2. The program entitled Kilikudam was inaugurated on the 18th of March 2021 at 4 p.m. as a part of the Revive Project Phase 2. The motto of the program is to provide water to birds in summer. For that, 30 earthen water vessels are arranged in and around the campus. The program, organized jointly by the National Service Scheme, Nature Club and Birds Club, is implemented in collaboration with Birds Club International Kottayam. Mr. Jayaraj, filmmaker and founder of Birds Club International, Dr. R. Prakash, Deputy Director, Deputy Directorate of Collegiate Education Kottayam and Principal, Government College Kottayam, Dr. G. Prasad, Assistant Conservator of Forests Kottayam, Social Forestry Division Kottayam, inaugurated the program. Principal, Dr. Varghese C. Joshua, Vice Principal, Dr. Minnie Chako, College Buzzer, Jacob George addressed the occasion. Assistant Professor of Zoology Department, Sony Joseph, gave the vote of thanks. Collins Memorial Lecture Program. The Malayalam Department conducted this year's Collins Memorial Speech Program on March 25, 2021 at 10:30 a.m. on Google Meet. The program is in commemoration of Reverend Richard Collins, the former principal of the college and renowned language scholar. Celebrated Malayalam poet and critic K. Sachidanandan inaugurated and spoke on the topic Indian Sahityam Nanatvathile Aghosham. Sri Sachidanandan pointed out that Indian literature cannot be approached as a monolith. It is characterized by linguistic diversity. The principal, Dr. Varghese C. Joshua, gave the presidential address. Free poultry distributed by CMS students. The National Service Scheme launched its Kaithangu program, distributing poultry to prospective chicken farmers. The program was inaugurated by the principal, Dr. Varghese C. Joshua. NSS program officers, Dr. Ajish K.R., Dr. Amrita Renu Abraham, and Volunteer Secretary Sijan M. Matthew addressed the gathering. Kaithangu is a program which will provide free hatchery hens to women from poor households. 100 poultry were distributed at the inaugural phase. These are 2 months old Gramashri chicken provided by the government hatchery. This program aims at self-sufficiency in poultry eggs production and kitchen waste for poultry fodder. Campus recruitments this month. Arya PV of BSc Mathematics, Alvin Matthew of BCA and Akhil Thomas Kurian of BCom were selected in Cognizant Campus Recruitment 2021. Gia Jason of MSc Physics got placed as Associate Analyst in ZIFQ R&D Solution. Webinar this month. A webinar on solar cells, designing, processing and development was organized by the Physics Department on March 23rd. Dr. Aldrin Anthony, Associate Professor, Department of Physics and Honorary Director, Center of Excellence in Advanced Materials, hosted the webinar. The Physics Department also conducted a webinar on two-dimensional materials for photovoltaics on 24th March. Dr. Saji KG, Assistant International School of Photonics, Cochin University of Science and Technology, hosted the program. Department of Commerce conducted a webinar on the topic Career Opportunities for the Next Generation of Accountants on March 5th, 2021. The program was hosted by alumni Mr. Ashok Matthew LX, Internal Audit, PwC. Also, one more webinar was conducted by the Department of Commerce, aided, on Career, a CMA Perspective on 10th of March, 2021. The program was hosted by a distinguished alumnus, CMA Ashita Babu, Senior Financial Accountant, Oracle. CMS organizes workshops for students. The Department of Family and Community Science organized an online live workshop as a part of Star College project of the Department of Biotechnology, Central Government. The workshop entitled Fabrical Hobby Ideas was conducted by Mrs. Asha Vijay, Fabrical Expert Teacher, and Neena S. Panika, Guest Lecturer, CMS College. One more online workshop was conducted by the Department of Family and Community Science on March 27, 2021. Workshop was on Framing of Practical Teaching Resource. The workshop was hosted by Dr. Shilpa Jose, Assistant Professor, Department of Home Sciences, St. Teresa's College, Ernakulam. Oru Dinam Oru Rooba program by NSS Unit. NSS Unit of CMS College hosted Oru Dinam Oru Rooba program for disabled children from financially backward families. As a part of this program, Sneha Kit was distributed to families of 10 disabled students from Jyoti School. The kit contained materials for daily needs priced around 1,500. As a result of the collective efforts of second-year students of NSS unit of the college. Quiz competition held by Physics Department. 28th Professor Mohan Kurian Memorial Intercollegiate Physics Quiz Competition was organized by the Department of Physics on 30th March 2021. Dr. Mohan Kurian was a gifted teacher and a dynamic social activist. Both UG and PG students participated. The first prize carries Rs 5,000, second prize Rs 3,000 and third prize Rs 2,000. Faculty training in food analysis. Faculty training in food analysis was organized by the Department of Family and Community Science on the 26th of March 2021. The program was organized under the aegis of DBD Star College scheme. Dr. Jinu John, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, CMS College, hosted the program. The program covered topics such as good laboratory practice, food analysis, estimation of iron, and reducing sugar levels. Principal's message. Talk Series Acumen's Pool of Thoughts addressed the issue of water conservation this time. This is on the occasion of the World Water Day, 22nd March. The principal, Dr. Varghese C. Joshua, spoke on the vital issue of water and water conservation. He pointed out the problems of water management in today's world. Farewell to retiring members of CMS community. 2 members of the teaching faculty have retired. Dr. Mini Chako, Department of Botany. She served as a vice principal of college during the concluding years of her service. Professor Ajita Chandi, former head of the Department of Chemistry, retires too. Our buzzer, Reverend Jacob George, is getting transferred. Gardener P. Venuputtan retired this year. Announcement. The college closes for the midsummer vacation. MG University has issued orders according to which midsummer vacation will be from the 1st of April to the 31st of May. Considering the current COVID situation, online classes shall continue. Offline classes can be conducted only according to local arrangements if needed. Examinations will be conducted according to the schedule. That's all for today's news. This is Lakshmi Nair signing off.